Me and this weirdo
Hee.
are going to try the caramel Sucorn salt.
Yeah.
Just come out of the Mexicrate. And then I'm pretty sure
I thought it was the Japan crate.
Or the Japan crate, sorry. The Japan crate.
He'd lose his head if it weren't for me.
Thank God that's attached, right? Here's you one.
This looks weird.
Kinda,
I got a Y.
Smells good.
Why?
Always got to try 2. That's the rules.
Salty.
It's not good, but it's not bad either. Does that make sense? I'm going to give it a 6. 6 out of 10. 1 being crap, 10 being amazing. I'm going to give it a 6.
6.
It's not horrible, but it's not good. So it's in between.
Yeah.
Is that where you're at? 6 too?
Mm-hmm.
So we're a little bit above half, but not much. I'm signing out with this weirdo right here. This is my daughter, crazy woman.